Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Black Accountant. It's your boy Mo. And if you haven't already done so, you know the drill. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments of any kind of content you want to see going forward. But most importantly, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you get some notifications whenever I drop. Anyway, so today I just want to kind of talk a little bit about cryptocurrency, everybody's favorite subject. You know, it's popping off. The markets are popping this year. And I figured, time to join the party. So ironically enough, I've had many opportunities in my life to invest in crypto, to get really engrossed in the space as far back as 2015, 2016. I had some friends that were really passionate about cryptocurrency. Shout out Santiago, who had this really infectious energy that just kind of like drew me to learn a bit about it. And as my time in college just kind of progressed, I found myself being more interested in other ventures, and this became kind of something that went on the back burner for me. But the interest now is that I've seen it really being hyped up. A lot of people are making money off of it. Also, my brother-in-law is doing very well in it. Some of my other friends are also doing very well in it. So I figured, it's better to be late to the party than never show up. So that's where we're at right now. And I wanted to make this video just to showcase very beginner level trading. I'm not going to be doing any actual trading today. I'm just going to be introducing you to Coinbase, the platform, just to show you like the very, 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 very basic portfolio that I started. And then I want to be probably doing weekly or bi-weekly updates on the portfolio, and then just showing you like what I'm investing in, what I'm buying, so that you have an idea, so that you don't feel too lost, or that it's overwhelming to get started in investing, especially in something you have no particular knowledge in. And I would fall into that category. Just because I have friends that are interested in these things doesn't mean I'm that interested or that I'm somebody that knows that much about it either, just being in that proximity. I would like to learn more about it now. So I just want to make sure that I put that little, not really disclaimer, but just that note in the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And I'm using Zoom right now because for some reason, the recording software I usually use is very, very laggy. So this is Coinbase. And then there's two types of Coinbase. There's Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Coinbase, the regular one, is this blue logo here at the top. And then Coinbase Pro has this black logo. The difference being that Coinbase is actually geared more towards beginner investors, people who have very little experience. And then Coinbase Pro is more so for advanced traders, people who have been trading for a while. Coinbase, what's really great about this platform is that it has a very, very simple user interface, user experience. So it allows you to learn pretty quickly. It's very intuitive, but I'm just going to walk through the basic functions as of right now. So what you're looking at on this landing page is assets. And these are my assets. It's $147.65 is my portfolio balance, but I actually invested $150. So you'll see that reflected here, where I just kind of have this big jump. It went from $0 to this because that's the time I opened my account and actually started purchasing stuff. So I just bought two stocks, or not stocks, sorry, crypto. And you see that it's kind of just been kind of flatlined here because it's only been like 2 days. There haven't been too many fluctuations, but I only purchased Ethereum and Bitcoin, and they both kind of went down in value since I purchased it. But you'll see here that there's 4 different categories that you'll see on this landing page. The name of the actual cryptocurrency, your balance, and the balance being how much you have of the crypto, and then the price of a full crypto currency. For the purposes of the video, I'm saying crypto instead of fully saying cryptocurrency. And then the allocation. And the allocation here is just the percentage of your portfolio that it is, because you are on your assets page. So you're trying to see your overall portfolio. And then I have this watch list, and then I'm watching these because obviously I'm invested in them. So I'd like to see that. And you also see here where it says market cap. So a market cap is literally just if you gather all of the shares of the cryptocurrency and then multiply that by how the price, then you get the market cap, or the market capitalization, which is what it's short for. But your real bread and butter on this app, on this web page, it's also a phone app if you wanted to trade on your phone, is the trading page. And luckily for me, my internet's actually going pretty well today and smoothly. So, this page loaded a lot faster than I expected it to. And here you'll see a lot of the top cryptocurrencies, and then you can see um, the price, the change and fluctuation, same as you would generally see in a regular stock market, and the market cap, like I just explained. And it's simple enough that you could literally just go in, click buy. You can also just watch stuff. So let's try like buying something right here just so that you see what it looks like. You just choose how much you want. And, actually does say stuff over here, but I'm in dark mode in Chrome and it looks good on some pages and other pages it doesn't. So let me turn it off real quick. So you see the buy, sell, and convert. And then you could just purchase, like you can do a one-time purchase. You can do a weekly, 1st and 15th of the month. And if you're somebody that has like a regular job and you want to invest on a consistent basis, I think it's good to invest probably once or twice a month. I don't think if you're beginning off, you're going to be really investing on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. And of course, you can always invest however much you want, whether that be anywhere from $5 to $1,000, $10,000, whatever. Just come through here to do that. So you can buy, you can sell, and you can convert. But what's really cool, I think, about Coinbase, at least the regular one, is that they have a for you page that just kind of gives you a little bit more articles to read, things to kind of like get you more engrossed in the space. And then they have what's called learn and earn. So they'll introduce these different cryptocurrencies with these little tidbits of information that typically range from 1 minute to 3 minutes that you can read up on. And as you learn this stuff, you start to earn some cryptocurrency. So here, it tells you can earn $1.50 of LRC. You can earn $3 over here. You can earn $3 over here as well if you learn these things. And these are all little 1 minute videos. So it gives you like a nice visual as well. So it's easier to absorb. And I think this is a really good introduction because if you learn these things, then you can see which ones you like and then kind of invest in those as well. And this is a really, really good starter base. So I wouldn't stop here. I would think that as you come over here, you can kind of play around a bit. Start off with some kind of initial investment just to say like, hey, I bought something. And then go on Google, search things as you don't know. I had earlier mentioned market cap. If you didn't know what that was, you could literally just open Google and then type in like, what is market cap? And then start learning the vocabulary that way. You don't necessarily have to go take a course and take notes, et cetera, et cetera. Just learn as you go. It's always better to have hands-on experience that teaches you a lot more being in a field and getting that experience than it does just learning through books. And I had also earlier Googled this just for the purpose of this video. What's the difference between Coinbase and Coinbase Pro? And I came at you with that, the shorthand spiel. Same thing over here. What are the top 3 cryptocurrency? Everybody kind of knows Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then there's these other ones as well. And then all of them have different things to look out for when you're trying to purchase these things. And there's a lot of YouTube channels as well that you could watch. You can spend a lot of time on my channel. I would definitely appreciate that. But if you're looking for more investing based channels, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, I'm obviously going to be a little bit biased and plug my brother-in-law. Check out his channel, Your Pop, Your Pursuit of Purpose. He's actually been investing for a little over a year now, I believe. And he's been doing pretty well for himself, like putting in a lot of consistency, time, and effort to start learning these cryptocurrency and investing. So, that's some place to check out. You can also check out Minority Mindset. You can check out Meet Kevin. I don't think he focuses as much on cryptocurrency or even as much finance related content these days, but he is actually very well versed in the financial space. So, if I were you, me at a beginning level, I would be invested in the stock market, the regular stock market, and invested in cryptocurrency as well. I think there's value in having both portfolios, see what actually works for you, and then go from there. So just wanted to give that little bit of a spiel. And I want to kind of like go on here, and I don't know if I already mentioned this, but being on here maybe like either bi-weekly or on a weekly basis, having an update and then checking in and then seeing like what I want to purchase, because I do want to invest, probably starting off on a monthly basis and then maybe going into bi-weekly. And then if I get really good at it or really invested in it, maybe daily or like weekly. So let me know what your thoughts are on the topic. It's really simple to get started. There's so many platforms and so many people that want people to get to elevate and to start learning these things that you don't really want to be that person that keeps watching opportunity pass them by. Take the time. It's worth it to start learning these things, get a little bit of a feel for it. You don't have to be amazing at it. You don't have to be great about it. And don't be so emotionally attached to your money. You know, it's easier said than done, but think of money as a tool. It comes and it goes. You know, the more you start thinking about money in that mindset, the more money in actually that you'll probably make. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. If you're somebody that's new to investing, welcome. Hopefully this video served as some kind of foundation for you. If you're somebody that's an advanced investor, you know, feel free to either DM me or leave some comments. I want to see what your thoughts are. And I'll see you guys in the next video.